Hello, this is Dayandev. Today, we will have a meditation time inspired by Swami Sivananda Saraswati, focusing on generosity, love, and spiritual growth. Please sit in a comfortable position, close your eyes, and begin deep breathing. Breathe in slowly, and as you breathe out slowly, focus entirely on this moment. Think about how your heart responds to the suffering of others. Is generosity part of your nature? When walking down the street, how do you feel upon seeing a food bank offering food to the homeless or the poor? What does it feel like to rush to help someone involved in a traffic accident or in a critical situation? These actions are the true test of spiritual progress. Listen to your inner voice and be genuinely generous to the depressed and poor around you. Share the best food and the highest love with them. By doing so, you will experience indescribable joy, power, and happiness. Do not reserve the best only for yourself, but share the same love and respect with others. Feel your heart expanding and your soul growing. As you share, all the wealth in the world becomes yours in spirit. Use your material wealth, knowledge, and spiritual wisdom as the divine trust you have to share with God's children. Share abundantly without expecting any rewards, and it will return to you as unimaginable spiritual rewards. After all, our life's purpose lies in happiness. Now, slowly open your eyes and bring your consciousness back to your surroundings. Apply the generosity and love you've gained from today's meditation in your daily life, implementing these values in your relationships, and experience greater spiritual growth. Thank you for joining today. Your subscription and likes support the creation of content.